Hello there, welcome. In this video, I will be explaining some of the JavaScript operators. I will begin with the arithmetic operators, the operators you would use if you were to perform a mathematical operation or calculation. All right, I've got a little table here. All right, so these are the symbols and these are the descriptions. So we begin with the first one, which is the symbol is an addition. I'm sure you've seen this symbol before. It looks like a cross. And this is an addition or concatenation. When the symbol is used with text, it's known as concatenations. When you add two texts together, for example, if you had James plus Bond, it will give you James Bond. So when you use it with a plus sign, is known as concatenation. But when you're adding numbers, it's known as addition. Subtraction is similar to addition in that it takes away one number from the other. So you're doing a subtraction when you're taking away number figures. And then you've got multiplication. Multiplication is when you multiply two numbers together, and the symbol is an asterisk. Next is the division, when you divide a number by another number, and this is the symbol, a backslash. Next, you got a modulus. This is also known as a remainder operator or a modulo operator. Basically what it does, it only returns what is left when two numbers have been divided together. It will only return what is left. If there's nothing left, it will return a 0. So the only thing it does is it returns the remainder after the division has occurred. Please note there is an assignment operator. This sign here, this equals to, refers to an assignment operator. It is used to assign values or set a variable or something in JavaScript. So anywhere you see the equals to sign in JavaScript, is known as an assignment operator. It doesn't mean equals to. So equals to in JavaScript uses a different symbol, but where you see this one, it means it's an assignment. It is setting a value or assigning a value. Next, we're going to talk about the comparison operators. These are operators used in JavaScript when they want to compare values. So if you need to compare values in JavaScript, you use what we call a comparison operator. All right, this is my table of comparison operator. So if you want to find out if something is equals to something in JavaScript, you use it. It's a double equal sign. If you're using a single, you are setting or assigning a value. So to check if something is equals to something, you use a double equals to sign. And then if something is not equal to something, you use this symbol. So you use this symbol here if you need to find out if something is not equal to something. For example, if A is not equals to B, you use a symbol like that to find out. Next is the greater than sign, if you want to find if a value is greater than another value. Next is the less than sign. This sign refers to less than, if a value is less than, and then this is greater than or equal to. You need to, if you want to find out if a value is greater than or equal to, you use this symbol. If you want to find out if a value is less than or equal to, you use this symbol. So these are the comparison operators used in JavaScript. So in this video, I went through some of the JavaScript operators. I covered the arithmetic operators and also mentioned the equals to, which is the assignment operator. I then went to talk about the comparison operators used when you need to compare values. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video has made sense. If it hasn't, please send me a message. I'll be more than happy to explain further. Thank you and bye for now.